Hey, beautiful woman, have you ever found yourself stuck in a makeup rut, wearing the same eye makeup day in and day out?
Well, today I'm here to shake things up and introduce you to a world of eye makeup styles that will transform your look from ordinary to extraordinary. Let's dive into the art of eye makeup and explore some styles that might just become your new favorites.
Let's talk about the classic smoky eye. This sultry look is perfect for a night out or any occasion where you want to make a bold statement. Start with a dark eyeshadow base, blend it out with a lighter shade, and finish with a touch of shimmer in the inner corners of your eyes. Remember, blending is key to mastering the smoky eye. Next, for those of you who love a bit of drama, the cut crease is your go-to. This technique involves applying a contrasting eyeshadow color in the crease of your eyelid to create a sharp, defined line that really makes your eyes pop. It's a fantastic choice for special events, or when you just want to stand out from the crowd.
Moving on to something a bit more playful and colorful, we have the graphic liner. This style is all about creativity and breaking the rules. Use a liquid eyeliner to draw bold, geometric shapes or intricate designs around your eyes. Whether it's a winged liner with a twist or something more avant-garde.
For those who prefer a more understated look, the natural eye is absolutely beautiful. It's all about enhancing your natural eye shape with subtle shades that complement your skin tone. Use soft browns, beiges, or light pinks to gently define the eyes, keeping everything soft and blended. It's perfect for everyday wear or when you want to look effortlessly chic.
And lastly, let's not forget about glitter eyes. This style is perfect for when you're feeling festive or just want to add some sparkle to your look. Apply your favorite glitter eyeshadow over a base color, or use a glitter eyeliner for a more controlled, precise application. It's all about making your eyes shine and stand out. So there you have it, folks. 5 eye makeup styles to experiment with and add to your beauty repertoire. Whether you're going for bold and dramatic or soft and natural, there's something here for everyone. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try something new. Remember, makeup is an art form. Have fun with it.